How to become a better programmer. Master the basics. Learn core concepts, understand fundamental concepts like data structures, algorithms, and object-oriented programming. Programming languages. Start with 1 or 2 languages. Python is great for beginners, while languages like Java, C++, or JavaScript are also widely used. Practice regularly. Code daily. Regular practice helps reinforce concepts and improve problem-solving skills. Solve problems. Use platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, and Codesignal to practice coding problems.
Build projects. Personal projects. Create projects that interest you, which can also be added to your portfolio. Collaborate. Contribute to open source projects or collaborate with others to build something meaningful. Study best practices. Code quality. Write clean, readable, and maintainable code. Follow coding standards and best practices. Design patterns. Learn about design patterns and how to apply them to solve common software design problems. Learn new technologies. Stay updated. Technology evolves rapidly, so keep up with new languages, frameworks, and tools. Deep dive. Occasionally dive deep into new technologies to understand them thoroughly. Read and research. Books and articles. Read books and articles by experienced programmers. Some classics include Clean Code by Robert C. Martin and The Pragmatic Programmer by Andrew Hunt and David Thomas. Blogs and forums. Follow blogs and participate in forums like Stack Overflow and Reddit. Seek feedback and learn from others. Code reviews. Participate in code reviews to receive constructive feedback and learn from others. Mentorship. Find a mentor or become one. Teaching others can reinforce your own knowledge.